In the last video, we discussed the transmission of nerve impulses in myelinated neurons. Today, we'll cover how it works in non-myelinated neurons. The stages, the resting stage, depolarization and repolarization are same, except for the conduction stage, which we'll focus on. To understand this video, please watch part 1 first, where we had already covered the rest of the process in detail. Now let's begin this video. Conduction stage. In non-myelinated neurons, there is no myelin sheath to speed up the transmission. Instead of the impulse jumping between nodes, like in myelinated neurons, the action potential travels continuously along the entire length of the axon. The depolarization at one point of the membrane triggers the depolarization of the next part, causing a step-by-step movement of the impulse. This makes the process slower compared to the rapid transmission in myelinated neurons. That's all you need to know about the transmission of nerve impulse in a neuron. Thank you for your attention.